Dear students of 12th class Boys Higher Secondary School, Nagari Malpura, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You know that we are discussing the mega sporogenesis in our last lecture yesterday, and you know that how the functional megaspore has been formed from the or by the act of megasporogenesis. Now, today we will study the development of female gametophyte, which is in your syllabus, and before this we have already studied the development of male gametophyte also. Now, regarding the today's lecture, today's topic, development of female gametophyte, how the development of female gametophyte proceeds, you should remember that the functional megaspore forms the female gametophyte or embryo sac. The female gametophyte is formed from the functional megaspore. That means the functional megaspore plays a great role in the formation of embryo sac. First of all, the nucleus of functional megaspore divides first by mitosis, resulting in the formation of two nuclei which move to the poles of embryo sac, that is, one towards micropylar end and other towards chalazal end. So here, as the functional megaspore forms the female gametophyte or embryo sac, the nucleus of it gets first division by mitosis, and it results in the formation of two nuclei. That means the nucleus is divided into two nuclei, and those two nuclei move towards the poles of the embryo sac. One nuclei moves towards the micropylar end of the embryo sac, whereas the other nuclei move towards the chalazal end of the embryo sac. Each of the two nuclei, now these two nuclei which are at the micropylar and chalazal end of the embryo sac, they divide and redivide. They divide and redivide to form 8 daughter nuclei by mitosis. The mitotic division takes place in these two nuclei, and they divide and then redivide and forms the 8 daughter nuclei, 4 of which are located at each pole. That these 8 nuclei, among these 8 nuclei, 4 are located at micropylar end of the embryo sac, while as the other 4 are located at the chalazal end of the embryo sac. Now, out of these 4 nuclei at the micropylar end, the 4 nuclei which are located at the micropylar end, 3 form the egg apparatus. 3 nuclei form the egg apparatus, consisting of an egg or oosphere and 2 synergids. So you should remember here that the 4 nuclei which are located at the micropylar end of the embryo sac, they form the egg apparatus, and the egg apparatus consists of an egg or oosphere and 2 synergids. Similarly, out of the 4 nuclei at chalazal end, 3 form antipodal cells. 3 form antipodal cells. Now you should keep in mind here that there remains only one nuclei at micropylar end and other nuclei remains at the chalazal end. Those two remaining nuclei, one at micropylar end and one at chalazal end, move to center. Those two nuclei which now remains on the micropylar and the chalazal end of the embryo sac, both of these two nuclei move towards the center and form two polar nuclei. Those two nuclei which are located at the two ends of the embryo sac now move towards the center and form the two polar nuclei. Those two polar nuclei fuse together to form the diploid secondary nucleus. Those two polar nuclei fuse together and form diploid secondary nucleus. The synergids bear thickenings at micropylar tip called filiform apparatus. The synergids which are at the micropylar end, they form the thickenings at the micropylar tip which is called the filiform apparatus, and that filiform apparatus guides pollen tube into synergids. Now you can see the diagrammatically the development of female gametophyte. First you see the functional megaspore and the 4 degenerating megaspores. These three megaspores degenerate and the one remains their functional megaspore. That functional megaspore or the nucleus of that functional megaspore gets division and form first of all this 2 nuclei, then 4 nuclei, and ultimately they form the 8 nuclei in total. And you see in the figure E, there is the egg apparatus at the micropylar end and 2 polar nuclei at the center, while the 3 antipodals are at the chalazal end. And lastly, the fig F denotes this at the micropylar end. There is a filiform apparatus at the top, and then the 3 synergids and 1 egg, and the central cell also, and antipodals at the chalazal end, and the 2 fused polar nuclei are also seen in the figure number F. So this is the diagrammatically representation of the development of female gametophyte, figures from A to F. So now we concluded this development of female gametophyte, which was our today's topic, and I hope that you have keenly understood now the development of female gametophyte, how the development of gametophyte takes place from the functional megaspore, and how the nucleus of it divides, then redivides and form the other cells of the embryo sac. I hope that you have now understood this today's topic. With this, we have concluded our today's topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.